road erosion issue. And here's where it's ending up on my land. Deep erosion ditch in the woods. So behind me, the town is finally fixing one of the two culverts that they need to fix, but not the one that's leaching plastic wrap onto my land and broken at the other side. They're just doing the one next to it. And frustratingly, on the other side of the culvert, they don't have any type of sediment or catchment trap for the silt that comes off of the road or the water to slow it down. They just have like a straight downhill slope, so the water rushes through a straight pipe under the road and then just empties onto my land with absolutely no catchment. And the more they do this, the more pissed off I get, because as you can see, the road is just everywhere going onto my land. It's going down into the woods. This is the worst it's ever been this year, and it's just going all over my land. It's kind of fucking infuriating. The town is just having uncontrolled water. There's no ditch, there's no little catchment area. There's just water rushing and gushing onto my land and carrying the road and sediment with it. And I don't think anyone in this town has any brains or any training on this subject matter. So this is terrifying if you copy and paste and repeat this across this fucking country. We've got water problems, people. Oh, these guys really don't know what they're doing, do they? This was totally washed down to bare rock, and they just put little tiny road gravel on top of it. You know how dumb that is? I told them to put 6-inch rock right here. All this gravel is going to end up, see where the water's going? It's all going to end up right there on my land, where somebody's been trespassing and driving all over it, as you can see from the tracks. This is not supposed to be here, and I'm pissed. This is where the schoolhouse foundation is on my map. I haven't seen that schoolhouse foundation since I bought the land, but that's what it says it was, or is supposed to be, a schoolhouse foundation right here. I'm gonna have to get some orange spray paint and decide where I'm gonna cut the town off here. As previously shown on my channel, everything from a minimum of this pullback has been illegally dumped on my land. All of this is illegally dumped by the town. I'm going 10, 15, 20 feet here into the woods. And as we can see, here's where all the water from the road goes. This is how they planned this, apparently. This ditch here, I'm not sure if you can tell, it's about 2 feet deep from erosion, and everything goes down about 70 feet into the woods right above my water system. So I'm pretty pissed. There is absolutely no negation of erosion. It's all road washing onto my land, right above my springs that I'm going to tap. So that sucks. Somebody's coming, so I'm going to walk over towards the back part here. Buck, come here. So I'm hoping this is enough feet from the end of the driveway here to be a catchment area. The water can go from that sharp curve right there, and I can make it flow around and down into here, and hopefully dig enough of a area where I can easily clean it out with a tractor at least once a year. Probably more than that, because the town is just being really stupid. I'm also going to need about 57 feet of 6-inch gravel to make this work. Otherwise, it's just going to carry the road onto my property over and over and over again. And the way the town has it right now, it's just shooting across here and taking all of this. Taxpayer dollars just paid for all this road gravel. The next time it rains half an inch, none of this will be here. It'll be all the way over here and down the hill on my land. I don't know why they keep doing this. I mean, isn't the definition of insanity to keep doing something over and over again when it clearly isn't working? Wow. Yeah, I don't think the town select board is ever going to deal with this, so I think I'm going to have to deal with it and send them the bill. I'm going to have the water shoot around this curve here and follow right where the camera's going. Just ignore the trash pile off to the left. It's super classy. And, yeah, right down into here. We make a nice catchment, and then I'm going to make an overflow down into the woods to connect to another pond that I was already planning on building anyway. So I don't have any other ideas on how to deal with this. I've been writing them for 6 years and telling them to remove this crap, and they won't do it. I'm really sick of having guys on ATVs sit here and pee and throw trash in my woods, and dead chickens, and you name it. Plus, one of the people with a mailbox over here, one of them, is throwing their mail trash in my woods now, so that's fun.